Hi, and welcome back to another football shirt review. I say football shirt. I've got a tracksuit. I've been asked a fair few times recently what tracksuits are like. I think I've only ever looked at a kid's one before, so I thought it was time that I got myself one. With the weather in the UK right now, which is rain, then sun, then rain, and a bit of sun, this tracksuit might get worn sooner than I was originally expecting. This tracksuit was purchased from bestzv1.com. All details for the seller will be in the description of this video. I doubt that I'll be able to get a DHGate link, but I will have a look to see if there is one available. But if not, then it is bestzv1.com as the seller. Now, the pack itself is relatively thick because you get the jacket and you also get a pair of trousers. So we'll have a look at both items individually. And I said I've never actually purchased an adult's tracksuit before, so this will be the first time that I can see whether the sizing is correct or not. I have gone for, which you can see there, size XL. Usually I tend to wear large bottoms and sometimes a large top, but I thought I'm going to size up for my first order because at least then I know that I'd rather have it too big than too tight. But hopefully this will fit lovely. So I said this is from bestzv1.com. All details for the seller will be in the description of the video. So we'll get this bag open and we'll have a look at the England tracksuit. So here is the jacket. We'll take a deeper look. You get the standard replica tags that you see on all of these, size XL. The England badge has been embroidered into the material. Likewise, the Nike tick has been embroidered into the material as well. You do have a half zip, which with one hand I can't undo, but I haven't done it already. It's quite nice actually. It's got this little pocket here to cover the zip so it doesn't rub you if you've got it tight up to your neck or anything. There is this like maroon colour to it. Hopefully that's coming through on the camera. It is a long sleeved version and there's a thumb hole as well actually. So you put your thumb through there. I assume this side's got one as well, which it has. And it's got the maroon indent down there as well. The price of this was, I think it's about 33 quid, which compared to the ones on the actual England website, which are anywhere from about 95 up to 130 quid. It's a bit of a bargain. So hopefully it fits okay. But it does look pretty good, I've got to say, so far. The England badge has gone on really nicely. I do prefer it when it's all in one. It's not like some of the replica shirts where the lines have actually been embroidered individually. There's a slight nick there in the material, but not too noticeable, only when you're closer to it. Okay, onto the back of the jacket, and the purple or the maroon comes through onto the back as well for the collar line. There's a slight nick there where it's been joined together, but not really that noticeable. Looking under the arms, stitching all looks good. Material wise, it's hopefully you can see it's quite a shiny, silky sort of material. So I think it's gonna be quite lightweight, which will be obviously quite nice for wearing out and about. I intend to wear the trousers when I play football because I play on AstroTurf, so I don't want to fall over. And if I do, at least I've got some trousers to protect my knees. The join there's not looking perfect, but maybe that's how it's meant to be because this side's the same. It's like a slight nick look there. Oh, I guess it's where the thumb is. I didn't even put it all the way around. It's just where the thumb is, which makes sense then why it's like that. Hemline though looks good. Join at the side looks good. But yeah, it's the first tracksuit that we've looked at on this channel. It's looking all right. There's a slight nick there where the dye is missing. You do see that on the odd one. When you're further out, to be fair, it looks worse on the camera than it does actually here. It's so small, but yeah, on here it really stands out. Don't know why, but it's definitely not that noticeable. But no, so far I'm quite pleased with this actually. What we'll do now is we'll find the trousers and we'll have a look at what they're like. Okay, here are the trousers. So as you can see, full length trousers. Starting at the top, it's just got the normal elastic waistband, and again size XL, made in Thailand. There are some pockets which are really good because they've got zips on both sides. I much prefer trousers with zips on. I actually prefer shorts with zips on as well. England badge here, been embroidered in, same as the jacket. And also the night tick has been embroidered in as well. Again, the same as what we had on the jacket. At the bottom of the trousers, we do have the purple indent, which I think has also got a zip there, which it has. So you could wear these as slightly flared trousers. I assume this side's got one as well. Yeah, it has. Oh, there's a nice loose cotton there, look. But I think that will soon chop off, so I'll get some scissors on that. There's a couple of loose cottons actually, to be fair, on that side. I mean, this one had any, did it? No, I can't see any on that side, so it must just be the one side that's got the loose cottons. But all in all, the trousers look relatively good. They do look quite long from here to that region, which I can show you there. It does look quite long, but maybe that's just how they are. Like I said, I don't know whether I am a size XL or not. As an example, I'm 6'2", so I am quite on the taller side, should we say. But yeah, that does look quite a big gap down. But I'll try them on and I'll let you know what they're like. Okay, just a quick look at the flip side of the trousers. Obviously the elastic waistband continues around. Got your seam, your join there. There's just a standard crease from where the trousers have been in the bag. Nothing really to worry about on there. Everything looks pretty good. So we have got that loose cotton, which I've not got rid of yet. But nothing on the back. I just wanted to give you the example so you could see what they look like. But yeah, that does look really quite long. But maybe that's just the way they are. I am starting to think that maybe a large in the trousers would have done. But we'll see once I've got them on. I think lengthwise XL is probably going to work, but for this bit here I think I'm going to be a large, which will be interesting to find a pair that you can do that with, because you can't buy like an XL jacket and a large pair of trousers. It has to be XL and XL, so, or large and large. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to try them on, and then when I come back and wrap up the video, I'll tell you what they feels like and what they fit like on. Right, and there is our tracksuit from bestzv1.com, the England tracksuit. And fit-wise, actually pretty perfect. So the jacket is a size XL. Said before I tend to wear large, but actually this does feel okay. It is quite a tighter material, so I think I would say size up on the jackets. The trousers really confused me because, as I said, there was quite a big gap from there to like where your trousers join your crotch area, and actually they're okay. They're quite stretchy material. To be fair, this is quite stretchy as well, the jacket. So by both being stretchy, it actually fits okay. Lengthwise, I am, as I said, 6'2", and these do fit pretty perfectly. Yeah, I'm going to say they do fit pretty perfectly actually. I was worried about the bottoms, because they are quite tight, but I think if I was to undo these a little bit and I had socks on, football socks underneath it, it'd actually fit a lot better. But size wise for me, 6'2", I am an average build. I recommend XL, so it is probably slightly sizing up on these. But as a first tracksuit goes, I'm really happy with this one actually, and hopefully I'll get some more in the future to look at on the channel now I know what size I am. But yeah, I hope you have enjoyed this one. It is something slightly different. I have been asked about tracksuits before, so it's good to finally get one. If you do have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and subscribe if you're new. The seller is bestzv1.com. All details will be in the description of this video. So thank you very much for watching. So it is something slightly different, but I hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.